Hi everybody, this is going to be a short video. I just want to show you all a boat that's been in my collection for a while that you probably haven't seen before. At first glance she looks like a workboat, maybe a special purpose workboat with her square-headed bow. In fact, she is special purpose. She's actually a toolbox for my hobby tools. Her hull has built-in drawers that hold some of the common tools, the tools I use most often, or that I might want to take with me to the pond. I also make use of her deck space. I can load it up with odds and ends. She can hold a lot of odds and ends that would otherwise be just kicking around on the workbench. If I want to pick her up and take her along, I've lashed on this ball of twine to serve as a convenient handle to pick the thing up and carry it with me. I think she's a nifty model to kind of dress up the workshop and serve a purpose as well. Leave a comment below. Let me know if you think it's nifty or what. Let me know if you're as easily amused as I am. Okay. Thanks for watching, everybody.